Hello everyone, ChartSage here. I'm a small trader navigating the markets with modest capital. This channel is about sharing my trading journey with you, showing the growth of my trading account, the highs, the lows, and everything in between. My strategies are carefully backtested, and I'll be sharing how they perform in real-world conditions. I plan to share my trades on MQL5 soon, for those who are interested in fully copying my trades. Once that happens, I'll start sharing everything here on the channel. In the meantime, I have a Discord channel where I regularly share my trading setups. The invite is currently limited to 50 people, so be sure to join early. If more spots are needed, just leave a comment, and I'll open it up. You can find the invite link in the comment section below. If you find value in my content, your support would mean the world to me. A like, a subscribe, and maybe we can grow together. Who knows? I might even help you on your trading journey too. Let's scratch each other's backs as we strive for success.